Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Moz Hussain. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am reviewing one of the most promising communication automation tools that I have come across recently, that is the AnyChat. Now, suppose you have run a business where you have to manage clients or operate an agency. In that case, you probably know the struggles. Your customer messages on WhatsApp, Facebook, Viber, Telegram, and others so on, all at once. Switching between apps is not only annoying but also it's a productivity killer. That's why the AnyChat steps in. It unifies all your communication into a single smart dashboard powered by AI automation. Let's dive in. I'll share my dashboard and walk you through everything it offers. This is the dashboard of the AnyChat. Here, as long as you log in, you can connect your essential platform like website, WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, Telegram, Viber, Zello, and so on. You can add unlimited to any platform here. For instance, if you have 10 Facebook pages, 5 business WhatsApp accounts, 7 Instagram, whatever you have, you can add it all this platform without any hidden charges. After connecting all this platform, we can go to the inbox of the AnyChat. The AnyChat inbox offers a lot of features like notes, comments, chat, AI auto reply, quick replies, and so on. Here we can find in the inbox of the AnyChat chat. This is the central messaging area. You can send any kind of written messages through chat. When a customer messages you from your website, Facebook, Instagram, or other platforms, you simply type your reply into the chat and hit send. After that, notes. This is confidential area where you can gather information about the customer from the conversation. This part is only seen by the person who writes the note. Then comment. Comment is also a part of privacy and is used to gather information about customers, but this part is seen by all the members of your team. Then quick replies. Quick replies is the system of saving common answer. It saves your time, it makes your service efficient and effective. AI auto reply. This is one of the smartest parts of the AnyChat. It constantly monitors incoming messages and uses its intelligence to provide accurate instant answer with a single click on AI auto reply. For instance, this is only used when you take over the thread from the AI. Suppose you are too busy to maintain 20 to 30 customers at a time. Now it is difficult and time consuming to answer each customer's specific questions manually. In this case, with a single click, AI answers the questions. Extra features. The AnyChat also provides audio recording and an instant screenshot of a dashboard. Now I'll discuss about the most prominent features of the AnyChat, that is AI chat automation or smart virtual assistant. This is my favorite part, the AI automation tab. The AnyChat comes with a built-in AI chatbot system. Here you can create your own AI assistant that automatically responds to customer 24/7. Now the question arises is how to train the AI. Here I'll go to edit option. Now we can see an AI assistant for the AnyChat. We can train AI through website. The AI can read the information on your website to find out relevant details. Here you can give the website URL, then AI detect the whole information from your website. Prompting. You can make a prompt to train AI where you can give all information about your company that you want to share with customers, like that. I have already given all the information of my company. Here you can include files like PDF, docs, HTML, PPTX, docs, and so on. After that, you can also add the knowledge base to train AI, because knowledge base works as the brain of AI chatbot. It includes all important information like facts, product guides, and support articles. After creating an AI assistant and training AI, we need to create the chat flow. Here is the chat flow. I'll click on the chat flow. After clicking the chat flow, we can find some uh, format of the chat flow. A chat flow is like a guideline for a chatbot. Chat flow works like guides users towards a goal using a pre-planned path. Works like a decision tree. User response determine the chatbot's next path. How to chat flow assist AI. A trigger starts the chat flow, then the chatbot can start a conversation with a welcoming message. Guides conversation with if-then rules. User input and if-then logic is the most prominent part of the chat flow that makes it interactive and smart. Offers option like buttons to talk, sales, get support, or open-ended questions. Follow for instance, if the user needs supports by an agent or a moderator, then it is redirected to active chat, the moderator dashboard. If they choose sales, then connected to sales, take the order, create a ticket, and tag you to notify. The another question is how AI works. Firstly, AI understanding the question. AI uses NPL or natural language processing to understand the customer language. Finding the right answer. Chatbot finds the best answer for your source from knowledge base, website content, prompt, or past conversation. So its replies get faster, smarter, and more accurate over time. Crafting the reply. The chatbot creates a helpful and easy to understand response. AI generates unique personalized answer instead of using a fixed script. 24/7 running business. The chatbot does not need to take rest. You can take rest, but the customer management, taking orders, and business will continue with the assistance of AI. AI can take the order. After convincing the customer, AI takes the order and forwards it to a Google Sheet, creates a ticket, and tags to notify you of a new order. So, can you imagine how AI makes your business more smarter and effective and more advanced? Now we will talk about another features, that is tag and filter. Tags are like labels or names you give into chat. They help to organize and understand what people are talking about and present the status of the customer. If I want to give the example of tags, if someone shows a high interest in your product or service, then you can give a tag as highly interested from here. After completing tag, we'll discuss about filter. Filter is what you see to sort, search, and narrow down the hundred of conversation in your unified inbox using the tags you have created. Filter helps to find out the high priority conversation, like highly interested customer. If we want to find out the highly interested customer of the any chat, then I'll select the tag, then apply. Then I'll get the all highly interested customer. So you can give them first priority. Filter allow you to find out how many chats had each tag, which tags are most common, which tags take the longest to solve. This helps you improve your service and understand your customers better. Sometimes it happens that some of our customers are highly interested in your products or services, but due to financial problems or other issues, they cannot purchase the product or service at the moment. We need to follow up at these customers, but sometimes they get lost because of hundreds of daily messages. Thankfully, the tagging and filtering features allow us to quickly locate and follow up with such customers. Why are tags and filtering useful? Keep chat organized, find chat faster, see what people ask most, help your support team work better, improve your business by knowing customer needs. Now I'll talk about the task, ticket, and meeting features. Task. A task is something you or your team needs to do after a chat. It is like a to-do list connected to customer message. For example, a customer says, I want to talk with you. Then you can create a ticket here to follow him later, like in this way. Ticket and meeting are also used to follow up the customers. Here we can find contacts, You can find here all the contacts that you have. Then visitors. Here you can see the visitors of your website through the visitors features. The AnyChat another noticeable features is multi-agent team collaboration. You can add multiple agents, each with their own login. Every chat shows which agent is handling it. Final verdict: the experts take after testing the AnyChat thoroughly 5 or 6 months. Here's my honest breakdown. Pros: sleek unified dashboard for all chat platforms, smart AI chatbot that's easy to train, powerful team collaboration features, automation plus analytics, full control you have, white label option for agencies, affordable compared to big players like Intercom or ManyChat. Cons: learning curve for new users, minor bugs and glitches. Here you can purchase a lot of plan like free, basic, pro, multi-site and so on. Now my honest rating is 9.3 out of 10. The AnyChat feels like the next evolution of digital communication. It is modern, AI driven and designed for business that want to scale without adding more manpower. If you are an agency owner, freelancer or online store manager looking for an AI powered unified inbox, the AnyChat is absolutely worth checking out. It's like having one platform to rule all customer chats with the brains of an AI assistant built right in. Thank you so much for being with us. Stay safe. Best wishes. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.